Hello my friends, my name is JP and welcome to my site. In this site, I will share with you lahat ng online techniques ko to build a network marketing business. Okay? Any MLM company ka pa, these are all applicable. Okay? As long as you're willing and determined to learn, you will finally achieve success for your MLM business. Okay? Instead na gawin natin yung traditional ways na tinuturo ng upline or ng companies natin, no? Yung prospect listing, yung kidnapping, dalhin mo lang sila lahat sa office and baliwin natin. No? Instead na gano'n, instead na habol ng habol ka sa lahat ng prospect mo, no? Balik ka rin natin. Okay? Prospect na ngayon, ang lalapit sa atin, ang hahabol sa atin, at will at least tell us na, hey, paano ba yan? Or, hey, I'm interested to join. How can I join your team? Okay? So, all because of attraction marketing using the power of the internet. Okay? Lahat yan in my site, no, matututunan niyo yan, no? All you have to do is to tour around and I will show you the way. Okay? So, thank you for visiting my site.